Now, if I was to mix all my favorite quick detailers together, take all my favorite properties that they have, mix them up, and come up with a product, what would it be? Well, most likely it would be the new Clean by Pan the Organizer Quick Detailer version 2.0. Version 2? Why did we need a version 2? What's new with this compared to version 1? Well, in this video, you're going to find out because we're going to talk about all the technical information. Of course, you're going to see it in a demo, both as a drying aid on a wet surface and on a dry surface as a quick detail spray, and what it smells like, what's the performance like, what additives are in there, what does it do? You're going to get all of that in this video, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you all are having a great day. Let's dig right into it. So we're talking about the new Quick Detailer V2 in the Clean by Pan the Organizer lineup. So first of all, how do you know it's a V2 product when you get it to make sure? So if you look at the label up front where you see the Clean logo, you're going to see a little Easter egg here in the dot of the Clean logo. So you see a version 2.0, and also up top on the color strip where you see the product information. This is a quick detailer, but you're going to see that same V2 logo appear, so you always know which bottle or version you're picking up. You're still getting the crazy good Tolco sprayer, high quality sprayer, great ergonomics, regardless if you have big or small hands. There's this part here in the back that rests on your palm super nicely, and you can like open or close the nozzle to create the type of mist that you guys want. So how streamy or how misty it becomes, you decide. As all the Clean by Pan the Organizer products, we have very detailed instructions. You guys know I'm very thorough in how I explain this. So you get the features of the product, and then you get the directions for use both on wet and dry surfaces. So as a drying aid on a wet surface here, and on a dry surface as a quick detailer. So quick detailer, this is for the exterior use. We also have a version 2 of the interior quick detailer. You're going to see that in another video. So what did we update with this compared to version 1, and why did we come up with the version 2 if version 1 was such a good product already? Well, technology always advances. There's always new raw materials available. The R&D always continues because I'm also always testing new products from new brands that are out there. So I'm aware of what the competition is doing, and feedback from you guys. There's things that you guys prefer, you guys don't like as much, for example. So I take that into consideration as well. So what might be amazing for me sometimes needs some improvements. So in the case of this one, we decided to keep, like the majority of the Clean by Pan the Organizer products, the scents are amazing. So the scent with this one, don't worry, is still the amazing Blue Jolly Rancher scent. So I like that kind of fruity, light vibe experience. And for me, it's so good. For me, it just improves the quality when you're detailing. I know some people don't really care about scents, but I'm sure many of you can relate. I just like the experience when I'm detailing. For me, it's soothing and relaxing to detail a car. So this is part of the enjoyment. More importantly though, what we did with this one, even more gloss and slickness. So protection from a quick detailer is not as important. So although the first one had a few weeks of protection, it wasn't meant for a long-term protection, right? Because we have the ceramic spray sealant or the now new ceramic spray coating for those who want 3 to 6 months with the ceramic spray sealant V2, or up to 1 year with the ceramic spray coating, or of course multi-year with the 3 and 8 year coatings in the lineup. But this here is meant to have lubrication on the surface. You're using this often, right? I wash my car twice weekly. I need a drying aid. If you're washing your car every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, whatever it may be, you want something that will just act as lubrication. So we noticed, or we understood, that protection isn't as important for a quick detailer. So with this one, we don't even have any durability claims. This is made more for lubrication. This gives nothing that cures on the surface. So no protection that's going to last a long time. That's not meant for that. What this does is boost the gloss and the slickness. And yes, even more compared to version 1. Version 1 was already super good for that, but we understood that you guys even wanted even more if possible. So we pushed for now as much as possible without sacrificing the user application, right? So friendliness of application and just that user experience, we bumped up also. So we wanted this, not that for me, I never had streaking issues, but we did get some feedback in some certain weird situations sometimes, or certain areas, or if people were over applying, for example, there could be chances of streaking, and it just was a little harder to buff off. But for this one, I'm happy to report that in all the vigorous testing, including those extreme scenarios that we tried to duplicate, you shouldn't get any streaking as long as you use it correctly. You can spray more if you want to, but all you need really on a surface, 1 to 2 sprays maybe. If you have a larger hood or a super large panel, 3 or 4. But even if you want to oversaturate and go overboard, you're still going to be very fine. So better user experience, and again, more gloss, more slickness. We also made sure to have UV protection and anti-static properties. Now, UV protection, guys, when you're getting products that you're adding on top, those are sacrificial layers. It's not the most crazy UV protection that you can get in the world. That's not what these products are designed to. Your UV protection, you're getting mainly in your clear coat. That's the one, even that one degrades over time because the UV blockers, they're usually at the top of that clear coat. They continue to migrate towards the top. And with the oxidation and exposure to the elements, that layer eventually goes away. That's why on some red cars that are 10 years old or 15 years old, sometimes you're going to see that pinkish hue and not red anymore. Well, that's the oxidation. So the UV blockers at a certain point, they dissipate or they wear out. And so what you're doing with the protection that you're adding, whether it's a ceramic coating, a spray sealant, a spray wax, spray coating, whatever you guys want to put on there, you're kind of adding a sacrificial layer on top of the clear coat to try and preserve the properties of the clear coat even more. So this is not durable protection, but you're still at least going to have a little bit of that UV package in there. And also the anti-static properties. So there are some quick detail sprays on the market. I'm sure you guys know which ones. Sometimes they tend to attract a bit of dust. Now, if you're in a very dusty environment, unfortunately, there are no miracles against dust. You just got to wash your car more often. There are limits to what physics can do. And dust attraction on vehicles is a thing, especially again, if you live on a dirt road or a dusty area. There's no miracles to that. However, you can try to mitigate that a bit or have less of that dust kind of settling on your vehicle by having anti-static properties. So we added that again inside here too. Now the liquid inside there is kind of a bluish tone. That's why we have the label up here to match the liquid that's on there. And what we recommend that you guys use with the quick detailer in the clean lineup is the Mr. Twister towel. So this one here is a twisted loop towel, 16 inch by 16 inch, beautiful kind of microfiber suede border here up top. This is a 600 GSM towel, and it works well if you want to clean glass. If you want to use quick detail spray, the ceramic spray sealant, it was color coded, by the way, for this one. As you can tell, this is the ceramic spray sealant version 2, so the longer form spray sealant. Color coordinated, but any spray product, water spot remover, panel prep spray, whatever liquid spray that you want pairs perfectly with this. Very, very soft and very, very good, again, to spread the liquids. Flip it over on the clean and dry side, buff off, and you're good to go. And if you're using it as a drying aid, highly recommend in the Clean by Pan, the organizer lineup, the Clean by Pan drying towel, 35 by 27 inches. And this is a dual-sided one, by the way. Why? On one side, you have this twisted loop side. So this is a 70-30 blend. And on the other side, you have a micro twisted loop. This is an 80-20 blend. And so this kind of short nap won't snag on emblems. So you pick which side you prefer. So you get this dual-sided nature, and 1080 GSM, super absorbent and very high quality. All the Clean by Pan towels are made in South Korea, including the popular wash mitt that we have here. So just beautiful quality, high quality stuff. I have dedicated videos explaining how to use the towels in which scenarios, and they're made in collaboration with the House of Rags, which sourced one of the best microfiber factories in South Korea. Super high quality stuff. And I mean, they just packaged amazingly well, hand inspected. They come pre-washed as well from the factory. So just some awesome stuff. So that's what I do with the quick detail spray. If we jump into the demo, by the way, I'll leave the links to all this stuff in the description under the video, right? For you guys to check them out. So as usual, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So once you're done cleaning your vehicle, right? You did the full wash, you rinsed it off, and now it's still wet. If you have a microfiber drying towel, like the Clean by Pan drying towel, it's always crucial. I can't state that hardly enough. It's important to have a drying aid or a drying lubricant to act as a buffer between the towel and your paint, reducing the chances of marring during the drying stage. So very important. So a quick detailer is specifically made for that. So you're boosting gloss, you're boosting slickness, all while providing that lubricity on the surface. Again, that buffer between the paint and towel. And so the towel is going to glide. It helps to remove water, residual water as well on the surface, and you're beautifying that surface. So very very, very simple. A few mists on the surface, and then you use your microfiber drying towel and you're going to wipe the surface, and that is as easy as it gets. Now you can use this on all the exterior surfaces, by the way, regardless if it's paint, your wheels, mirrors, glass, emblems, lights, tail lights, matte surfaces, PPF, vinyl wraps, it doesn't matter. Your matte surfaces, this will beautify them, so it's not going to make them ultra glossy. This is going to give a kind of a jetting or a darker effect, that enriching type vibe. So the matte is going to be even nicer looking. But yeah, just some great lubrication. And then if you switch to use it on a dry surface as a quick detailer, so say you have just a very light layer of dust. I don't like to do that. I still prefer to wash the car. But if you guys are at a car show, for example, you have a light blemish somewhere or a fingerprint that's on the paint, or just a very thin layer of dust and the car was clean underneath, well, then you can gently mist this on the surface, get a great plush towel, microfiber towel, and then you can wipe off very gently. Or when you're done washing your car, that's my preferred way. You're done washing. If you have a ceramic coating, for example, like the vehicle we have in the demo today, you can use a car dryer or a leaf blower to blow the majority of the water off. And then any residual water, that's when you come up with your quick detail spray. So a few mists, you're going to take that towel, work the product onto the mainly dry surface, or even if your car is fully dry and clean, you can use it that way. Spray on, then you wipe with the towel on one side, flip the towel to the clean and dry side, buff off to a streak-free, glossy and slick surface. Absolutely amazing. By the way, it's compatible with waxes, sealants, ceramic coatings, or even if your car doesn't have any protection, it doesn't matter. You can use this on all the exterior surfaces. So Clean by Pan, the organizer, quick detailer version 2.0, smells great. Easy to use, can be used on a wet surface like a drying aid once again, or on a dry surface as a quick detailer. You can remove blemishes because quick detailer, you can do quick touch-ups with this if you want to. Multi-surface capable, UV protection, anti-static properties, the ease of use, the gloss, the slickness, again, everything in the kitchen sink. And that user experience now, I don't think you guys are ever going to get any streaking with this. This should be pretty simple as long as you follow, again, the instructions that are very clearly written here on the label. Also on the label, you always have access to the SDS information on the website by scanning the QR code. So we try to be thorough. You get that clean aesthetic with this kind of satin sheen type label. I'm happy. Another thing I'm happy of is you guys made this a super successful brand. So thank you for your commitment and your loyalty towards Clean by Pan and the Pan the Organizer channel. I appreciate you guys, and more things to come. Also, version 2s for many of the products are now available, so you can check those out. Again, links in the description, because we have the tire dressing V2, which is now water-based, the shampoo V2, which is now double the concentration, up to 1 to 500. So only an ounce in your wash bucket or an ounce in your foam cannon, and that should work pretty well. The ceramic spray sealant V2, more gloss, more slickness, better user experience. The water spot remover V2, more lubricity, more cleaning power. The panel prep spray, same thing, more lubricity, more cleaning power, and a fresher, fruitier, better smelling scent. And the interior quick detailer version 2, a little more of that cleaning power, and now dilutable for more value for money. So some pretty awesome stuff with all the version 2s. If you've tried any of the version 2s, let me know. Drop comments in the comment section. I love to have your feedback, and through feedback as well, that's how I can continue to improve. So, and thank you again for all that support. Many videos on the channel, so consider clicking the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll continue to learn more tutorials, product reviews, different tips, tricks, all detailing from beginner to intermediate, all the way up to a professional. There are videos for everyone on this channel. The main goal of the Clean by Pan line is to make you guys have more fun and enjoy detailing. That's my biggest passion in my life for over 28 years at this point. I'm in my mid-40s now, and yeah, I still love it. Like day one. It's soothing, it's relaxing, it's fun, and hopefully these Clean by Pan products, which are designed to be easy and high performing, so very high performance, pro grade stuff that anybody can buy and anybody can enjoy. So check them out, links in the description, and in the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.